Okay guys, now I am testing the cleaning. You click menu and ink. You click OK. You click cleaning. Okay, and black cleaning, color cleaning, all cleaning, testing all cleaning. Okay, this white. Cleaning, please swipe, clean browser, this cleaning color and black. Long time cleaning complete. Okay, now I am testing the print. Click menu, ink. OK, print, testing, quality, print quality. Click OK and start. You click start. Mono and color, test color. Okay, this here the color black, cyan, blue, magenta. Okay, print quality testing, print quality testing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Share my channel.